Now, blaring mistakes in application forms. Now, some of the things I'm going to be sharing today might seem very silly, but you would be surprised how many forms we come across has mistakes in them. Okay, simple mistakes like getting the passport number wrong, getting the LMI exempt number wrong, getting the spelling of the person wrong, either the first name or the last name, and they may have had prior rejections, but then when the questions ask for have you ever been rejected for any application for any visa, they would not say yes to that, they would say no to that and not explain. So this sort of comes under sort of misrepresentation, because the first time they would have gotten rejected, the second time they would have just said no to that instead of saying yes and actually explaining. So then the officer in the GCMS notes would have said, well, the client is not being truthful with his responses. They don't understand that this is just an oversight, right? And any little oversight that you have, that is, you got the LMI exempt number wrong or you got the passport number wrong, there is just no easy way to fix it. So once you've submitted the application, that's it. You've submitted the application. The only thing you can do is to send in a web form. That is, if you realize that you've done it wrong, you could just only send the web form. So now I know a lot of clients who have been in this situation before, and I have seen very many forms being filled out with so many mistakes from top to bottom. So just make sure and be very mindful of checking and rechecking the forms. Never submit a form without validating it. I saw so many forms being submitted to IRCC without the validation. It has to say yes at the top. So just be mindful of these little things, and these are definitely blaring mistakes, because each of these mistakes will definitely lead to a rejection. Because IRCC, as of now, because of the number of applications they get for ICT, they don't have any patience. Okay, so if you submit an application with errors in it, God save you. The only thing you can do is wait for a rejection and really just apply again or ask for a reconsideration, which again, it's up to them whether they're going to consider it or not. But make sure you're thoroughly checking your application, you are uploading the right application into right file into your portal, if you're doing it on your own as well. So just be mindful of these things.